Hello students, we are discussing basic proportional theorem. Okay, same basic proportional theorem proof in another method. In another method I am explaining here. What is basic proportional theorem? BPT theorem. BPT theorem. What is that one? BPT theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. This is also known as a Thales theorem. Thales theorem. Now, what is the statement here? Statement saying in a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side will divide other two sides in the same ratio. A line drawn parallel to one side will divide other two sides in the same ratio. In a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side will divide other two sides in the same ratio. Again I am proving the same but in different way. Another method I will explain. Similarities only I will use. Now given is a in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Okay, in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. See here, now what I have to prove here? This statement given required to prove all are same as like previous only. So what required to prove here? This DE will divide other two sides AB and AC in the same ratio. Means AD by DB is equal to AD by AC. I have to prove it. AD by AC I have to prove it. In previous method I made some changes and that is a construction I used. But here I don't use any construction here. Direct proof only. See here, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC means then this AB is a transversal or not? If AB is the transversal, angle ADE and angle ABC are corresponding angles are equal. These are corresponding angles are equal. DE parallel to BC and the AB is the transversal. AB is a transversal. If you consider AB as a transversal means a line which intersects with two or more lines and distinctive points is called as a transversal. Not only in parallel lines, in any way transversal may exist. Here in parallel line if transversal drawn, their corresponding angles are equal. Parallel line property. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, so AD angle ADE and angle ABC become as a corresponding angles. Angle ADB is equal to angle ABC. Similarly, angle AEC and angle ACD are equal. Angle ADE Angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Now similarly, AC is the transversal if you consider angle AED is equal to angle ACD. Again here also corresponding angles property. Corresponding angles property exists when parallel lines are there at that time only. Corresponding angles exist these two corresponding angles are equal. Now ADE triangle and ADC triangle you consider. In triangle ADE and the triangle ABC means when I draw a parallel line, that parallel line made into two partitions, one triangle, another one is a trapezium. So whatever the triangle shape you got, that triangle, and I am taking whole triangle, given triangle, comparison I am doing. When I draw a parallel line, I obtain one small triangle, that triangle and given triangle, comparison. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Again angle AED is equal to angle ACB. Because already proved here. So by angle similarity, by AA similarity, because the corresponding angles are equal now. This angle and this whole triangle, this angle are equal. This angle and this whole triangle, this angle are equal. By angle similarity, third angle automatically exists because angle A reflection angle. By AA similarity, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Corresponding parts are very important because D angle corresponding is B. So here DB. E angle corresponding is C. So E and C corresponding parts. So by AA similarity, this partition triangle, given triangle are similar to each other. Okay, since they are similar, their corresponding sides lengths are in proportional. Their corresponding sides lengths are in proportional. Because by angles property you proved this is similar. Okay, corresponding angles are equal now, so they are similar. Another one is similarity, another condition also is there. What is that one? Corresponding angles equal and their corresponding sides lengths are proportional in polygon. In triangle, corresponding sides lengths are proportional, automatically exist. What are those corresponding sides lengths proportional? AD's corresponding is AD by AB. Okay, DE by BC and AE by AC. But I required only these two partitions only now, so only two I will take. AE by AC. Almost theorem I got here, but one additional step I got here. That's it. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. Here, if you reciprocal, because the bigger one is in the denominator is there now, reciprocal. Or else, sir, I don't want to confuse myself, sir. Then you can write like this also. First, bigger triangle you take, and then second, smaller triangle you take. I don't want to, when you don't want to take confusion, don't want to take a risk, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE you take. Better option. No need to reciprocal all those things. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to whole triangle is similar to this partition triangle. Just now I proved it. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, these two corresponding angles, these two corresponding angles are equal. So they are similar to each other. While taking given triangle is similar to this partition triangle you take. Given triangle is similar to this partition triangle. So what is the corresponding part here? AD by AD AD, BC by DE, and AC by AE. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Now AD can be written as AD plus DB. Can I write? AD plus DB by AD is equal to AC can be written as AE plus EC. AE. Now split the numerator. In fractions you can split numerator but not denominator. AD by AD plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE. This is 1 plus DB by AD, 1 plus EC by AE. Okay, like this one adding on both sides is called as a component. Now 1 cancel here, means left over is DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. If I reciprocal, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. See here, in a triangle a line drawn parallel to one side, we divide other two sides in the same ratio. Another method, second method I am explaining here, easy method. You can write anything. Okay. In a triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. I have to prove it. So in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC means then AB is a transversal means ADB and ABC. ADE and ABC are corresponding angles equal. In the same way, AED and ACD are corresponding angles are equal. Now comparison between the given triangle and this partition of the triangle. Okay. Now since corresponding angles are equal, AD is equal to ABC I proved, AED is equal to ACB. By AAA similarity, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Now since they are similar, their corresponding sides lengths are interposed. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. AB can be written as AD plus DB, AC can be written as AE plus EC. I wrote, and separate them, split that numerator. AD by AD plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE plus EC by AE. AD by AD means 1 plus DB by AD is equal to AE by AE means 1 plus EC by AE. 1 cancel. Adding 1 is a component of reversing inverse. If you do know, that is a inverted we call it here. So DB by AD is equal to EC by AE. Since as per the result required is a reciprocal, so reciprocal it. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, hence proved. So in this way or in previous model also you can prove it. This is easier. Any method you apply also you get the mark. Okay. Write this one, this continuation. Some note points I'll tell you. Corollaries. So using this parallel line property, some corollaries I write here. Note points. Remember this and learn them also. What is that one? Note. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. In triangle ABC, DE Another one is this upper partition by this whole. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. We proved here only. And its reciprocal also true. What is that one? AB by AD is also is equal to AC by AE. Next one is a DB by AB. DB by AB is equal to CE by AC. CE by AC. And its reciprocal also true. AB by DB is equal to AC by CE. These are useful while solving the problems. Please note down those notes also. Okay. See here in this basic proportionality theorem we learned in two different methods how to prove that condition. What is basic proportionality theorem? Who proved that one? Thales was the mathematician, proved the basic proportionality theorem. What he did here, in a triangle, a line drawn parallel to one side will divide other two sides in the same ratio. So using that similarities I proved here, again using the areas as per your textbook also, first proof that one again, textual proof. And similarities I used and I proved now just now. So here these are the corollary and node points. Okay, AD by DB is equal to AE by AC. We proved as per the BPT. Its reciprocal DB by AD is equal to AC by AE. That also condition exists. AD by AB is equal to AE by AC exists. Just now I took that one. Its reciprocal AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. That also existed. Next, DB by AB is equal to EC by AC. And its reciprocal AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. Okay. So these are very important while solving the problem. These are useful. Is it clear? Okay. So this is about your basic proportionality theorem. And it's a converse of basic proportionality theorem also there. Converse is different, inverse is different. Inverse means completely opposite. Whereas a converse means reverse order. Reverse order. Stepping up and stepping down is converse. From there. Reverse order is different. That is inverse. Okay. Converse of BPT theorem we will discuss in next video. Thank you.